Hi, my name is Milind Bibikar and I am here with you to get one insight at a time to build your 100 crore project business. So today I'm going to talk about one strategy to retain your existing customers. They say that it is 6 times easier to get a business from existing customer than to acquire a new customer. So for those who are dealing with any OEMs who give you repeat business, or you are having some kind of ongoing assignment with any of your customers, then retaining customers has to be your prime focus, because the revenue will be added by acquiring new customers only when your leaking bucket is plugged. So you need to retain existing customer and acquire new customers, and you have to have a very specific strategies to retain your customers with you forever. Now here is a simple formula that you can remember. The formula is R square is equal to R raised to infinity. Now let me tell you what that is. Retention depends on two things. One is results and the second is relation. So retention is a product of relation and results. So if you maintain results and if you maintain relations, then the retention goes to infinity, that the customer will be there with you forever. That's the simple formula. Now results are your deliverables. So whatever you have committed, whatever you need to supply or need to fulfill, you have to ensure that you are delivering that properly so that your customers are always satisfied. But that is not enough. Just satisfied customer is not enough. Do you know what is the number one reason for losing a customer? Number one reason for losing customer is perceived indifference, which means that people feel, your customers feel that you are not really bothered about them. And that's the number one reason. So if this is happening with you, then this is time to actually correct this mistake. Now I'm going to give you some formula of how you can do that. So number one is connect with them over coffee. So what I mean by that is meet them not for the business discussions alone, but meet them casually. Either get invited or invite them for a cup of coffee and talk everything other than business. So get to know them personally, get to know them, what are their likes and dislikes, get to know them about their family, what's going on in their life. You should know their dog's name. You understand what I mean? Okay. The point number two is you need to follow them on social media. So you can leverage the social media in a very well manner. Follow them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever they are present. Like on their posts, comment on their post, share their posts. And I don't have to tell you that you have to be mindful of what you're sharing, but be in their friend list. Send them birthday wishes, anniversary wishes, send them cakes and flowers. These are the simple ways to keep in touch with all your customers. And the third point, very important, is never take them for granted, which means that whatever you are committed to deliver, you have to always deliver, and you have to put your delivery systems in place so that you never default at any point of time. Rarely, if you feel that you are going to default and you are not going to fulfill your commitments in time, you need to proactively reach out to them and ask for permission if they can deviate a little bit. So these are very important things. Ensuring on time in full delivery is what you have to always remember. So quickly summarizing, 3 points. One is connect with them over coffee. Don't have business discussions in that. Second, follow them on social media, be in their friend list. And third is never default on your deliveries. Now, in project businesses, we normally get very anxious towards the end of the project. We just want to finish off all the punch point list and get out of sight. But instead, use this opportunity to get in forever. So I hope this strategy helps you to retain your customers forever, and keep looking for more such insights on overall building of your business till 100 crores. This is Milind Bibikar signing off, and keep looking out for more videos on this subject. Thank you very much.